Yeah, in our sub-project we are talking about data and data standards. That is a layer, a technical layer, and the conference brings together our partners. This is very important because a technical layer doesn't work with just techniques. It needs the people who want everything that is in the technical layer, and that people that are informed what is going on next in the technological layer. So this is very important, this conference. We are now in year 3 of this resilient tourism project, and of course we want to do something sustainable. We've always wanted to do something sustainable with this project money, and today we're discussing how it will go on with our initiative to standardize data for the Swiss tourism. So partners can give inputs to our draft, how to go on in this endeavor. We've discussed quite a long time with many different stakeholders what a data and competence center for tourism could mean. And now we have a great draft, I think. At the center of this data and competence center should be the standards, because in tourism industry you exchange many data through interfaces, and interfaces are expensive to design and to maintain also. If one of the systems that is involved changes the logic, then you have to change the interface. If the data in both systems are delivered standardized from one system to another one, it'll become less costly, more efficient for the whole tourism industry. And that's what we want to achieve with our project, with our data and digital competence center after resilient tourism has ended. The challenge is not the technical side, the challenge is the communication side. So most of the people will not change the system. They will probably maybe change the interface, so how the data is delivered. But when a new system comes into place, nowadays we have a lot of initiatives in Switzerland with AI tour guides. They're all basing on new systems. They all need data about our environment, our beautiful environment in Switzerland. And if they know that there is a standard, they will use standardized data. If they don't know it, they will not use it. That's why communication is so important, so everybody in the industry knows how to standardize data in the future when new systems and new companies come into place.